Hey everybody, it's the Valesa family and we are headed to the Santa Barbara Zoo. We're excited to start getting out a little bit more and going on safe little adventures. Bring you guys along with and let you know how it goes, what we have to do, what's different, and how we feel about it.
Get over here.
Hello! Alright, where do you guys want to go? How about right here?
Our tallest giraffe, Michael, he's at the feeding deck across the way. He is our big daddy. He's over 16 feet tall, weighs more than 2,800 pounds.
Some of the places are still closed, but there's a lot still open. He just...
I saw his eyes open.
Do you love the pink flamingos? Tell me about them.
I want to take one right now.
You what?
I want to take one right now.
A pink flamingo?
Yep.
Whoa. Wow, those are beautiful.
Right, the tallest one here is Michael.
Michael.
On the right, we have Adia. Adia's
Oh.
baby is named Twiga. And then we have one more female in here who is named Audrey.
Audrey.
And their heights from tallest to shortest is 16 feet, 13 feet 8 inches,
Uh-huh.
12 feet 6 inches, and 9 feet.
Amazing. Hold on. Oh, Nova, look at the little turtles.
The biggest one is the female, and the three small ones are long tails.
Yep, all of that lettuce right there is for you guys.
Okay, here, take your first piece of lettuce. Okay, stand right over the white line and let him have one.
Hey, you don't
It's
have to
okay.
be scared.
They don't have
scared.
big teeth. They're not gonna...
You
Oh,
guys,
you guys gotta hold
come on.
together.
Hold
Come
it
on.
together.
Nova, Nova. Thank you. Dad, you want to get in there?
Sure.
So actually, they cannot bite you. They do not have any teeth on their top jaw in the front there.
Are those the cutest little foxes we've ever seen? They do look like doggies.
Yeah.
And a bachelor's.
He looks eligible. Big Gory likes to eat.
Gorilla.
A gorilla.
No!